G'day and welcome. So today's project is putting some lights into my garage because I have not got any. So we've got to do the complete wiring. And as per usual, we start off with some of the cheapest light battens that you can get in the hardware store. These were 27 Australian dollars each. And that is, fucking convert it yourself. It's about $2.50 American or something, and $450 Canadian. Anyway, these require wiring, and as you see, that's what I'm doing right now. Just wiring them up. They're very, very, very simple. Brown into brown, blue into blue, red into red, green into green, purple into pink, orange into blue. Well, you sort of get it. Screw them up onto the rafters. I don't actually have a ceiling in the garage. It was a carport that we just converted by basically putting a wall on one side and a couple of roller doors. We just screw them on there, and then we run the wires that we have previously just hooked up right across the rafters. Try not to smash your fingers while you're at it. Use these little plastic clippy things, and they hold your cords into place. Look really professional. Almost looks like I know what the fuck I'm doing. Just got to run it underneath some hot water pipes. And we've ran two battens together. We want them in the same circuit. This is our junction box. By the way, apologies if you can hear the fan and stuff going in the background. It is so frogging hot. Oh my god. This is these second bits of wiring here. This is actually the switch we're putting in here. I might shove up a bit of a diagram for you here. Very, very basic. And the reason I've got a black and a red is because we're using an existing wire. You could use two red ones singly and, put some shrink wrap or something on them, but most of it's pretty self-explanatory, really. There's not a great deal of commentary needed in this. But, what the hell, I like the sound of my own voice. I'm about the only one. Again, putting a switch in is really easy. They're colour-coded. They've got coloured rings on them. You put the black into the black and the red into the red, and, well, you get the rest. The only thing I had to do here was actually move the switch away a little bit. Because I'd made the wire a little bit longer than what I thought it was. If I actually thought of it, I would have, tried fitting it sort of without screwing it on first. But anyway, you get that. Doesn't matter. You just cut your little bits out of your junction box, chuck them in there. Some more little bloody holdy things, whatever the fuck they're called. Wire holders. I'll turn the power back on and see if we can let the magic smoke out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and electrocution time. Oh no, don't worry, it worked. Alright. We cut out the bit where I got electrocuted and I had to go to hospital, and they gave me CPR, and yeah. Look, it's really easy to do. If you are paranoid about doing shit like this, though, don't do it.
Techno.